Hi, this is Carl Fleming with MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to show you this 2021 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk that just arrived here. So it's got a 60 horsepower Mercury FourStroke on it, runs great with that engine. As we move forward here, there's a large Livewell built in back here. You can use it for storage if you're not fishing also, it's great for that. Some cup holders built in here, a couple rod holders. You can see Boston Whaler has engineered this boat so there's actually built-in storage for a 5-gallon bucket on either side, keeps it nice and secure there. This leaning post, the backrest is reversible. If you're at the sandbar fishing and want to sit and face backwards, you can do that. When it's in this position, it's also nice. You can stand as you're driving. It keeps you nice and secure there. Plenty of room at the helm here in the console for any electronics you want to mount. You got some storage in here also, a battery and battery switch is located in there. In front of the console we've got a cooler here, more seating, some more rod holders built in. There's tackle storage on the other side of the console here. You can also add another cushion in the bow if you'd like as well. Up in the bow here, it's got a built-in trolling motor plug already in the 12 volts, so you're all set there to go if you want to add a trolling motor. Got plenty of anchor storage in here. The trailer does also have a swing tongue, so fits really nicely in any standard size garage, no problem there. Again, the boat is here, it's ready for immediate delivery. If you'd like more information on it, or if you'd like to schedule an appointment to see it, my number is 772-349-4178.